Hello, I'm David from Winning Solutions. I hope you're having a great day, and thank you for viewing our webpage and templates. At Winning Solutions, we have a huge array of database templates to choose from for almost any business need you have. Buying our developer use versions will get you the entire source code and also allow you to include the template as part of a larger project and customize the database down to the finest detail to meet your company's specific needs. Shrink-wrapped software generally doesn't allow that. You have to use it as is with no customizations. If you don't like the way something works, or want a new feature to be added, or anything of that sort, well, contact customer service. Hopefully they'll get to it in the next update. With Winning Solutions, the licensing is very generous. The app can be used by as many people on as many computers as you want. And applications can be customized to your heart's content by you or anyone else with a knowledge of Microsoft Access. If you don't have this expertise, or know someone who does, Winning Solutions can make any customizations you like, or perhaps build a brand new system from scratch. With Microsoft Access, nothing is ever impossible. If you need it, we can make it happen. Just contact us for a quote. These days, there is understandably a big push for mobile and web-based apps. If that meets your needs better, then we could do that for you too. But Access continues to be a popular tool because it's included with some versions of Microsoft Office, is relatively inexpensive, and is easy to work with for people with limited programming knowledge. Okay, so let's take a look at the Doctor Contact database. Now, I have unzipped the original file here, and we have 32-bit, 64-bit. Generally, at Winning Solutions, for our solutions, we recommend 32-bit access, and that's what I have installed here. So I have unzipped this one over here, which is Doctor Contact Modern, right? So that's the one we've unzipped. So let's open this up. Now we're going to get a standard warning message. You always get this when you're opening a file, access database from a new folder. That's Access is just making sure that you realize potentially harmful stuff could come through, and this is not a trusted location. It's a kind of a strange location that doesn't work. But again, all of our templates are safe. There's nothing to worry about there. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here we see the main menu. Now, generally, we're going to start with maintain lists because anything that we call a lookup table where you're looking up an address type, credit card type, these are going to populate various drop-downs in the database. So let's set a few of these really quick. Make up a number there. So we're going to save our own information. And then we have some employees. Okay, so we just have a few employees here. And by the way, you can color. You notice these are color coded. If they appear in a calendar or something like that, that way that's a color they'll be associated with. Okay, so. And of course, this is a demo version, meaning that all of this is going to be deleted when we close the app. But of course, in the regular version, that doesn't happen. And these could be customized, so we could put other lists in here too. If you have we have several locations. So we have the 3 locations of our office: phone number type, service type, and again. These are, you could put anything we want in here. So let's say office visit, lab test, referral. How many doctors charged $100 for referral? But okay, you get the idea. So you can change these, you can customize these, you can add other items, something like that. I'll just make up a number here. So anyway, you can add these, and you can add other lists because the full database comes with, it's fully customizable. You can add items here, you can change items, that type of thing. Okay, suffix, title, we'll leave those alone. Address type, billing method, company setup, credit card type. Okay, so we'll go ahead and leave that. we'll take this out of maintenance. So let's add some customers or patients. Again, you might want this to say patients. These templates are rather generic, but templates are fully customizable. So this is not like some shrink-wrap software that you download where you can't change anything. Or, well, I think it should say X instead of Y, so I'm just going to submit to the message board and hope they get to it in the next version. You can change this anytime you want. If you want to change customer to patient, it takes 10 seconds. So we're going to add a new customer or patient, right? And we'll put job title, let's say, and we'll have a web page address. We'll kind of put home phone number, like that. Put a home address. I don't know what their address is, but anyway. Okay, so that's also the billing address as well. You can put notes for that patient, call history. We called last week. This was from our west location. So this is, again, this is for keeping contacts, keeping track of contacts. We called and left a message. So we can select a custom color if you want to put it on a calendar. We'll just save that as it is. And so now we have that. Appointment history. You can add an appointment for, let's say, Dr. Smith. And it's going to be office visit and our north location. And it's going to be for, let's say, September 23rd. It'd be nice to have an appointment that ends in the past. Okay, so and again, if you don't like this going by the minute, we can always change that too, or times of day. You're not going to start an appointment at 3 a.m. So if you want to go, for example, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. in 15-minute increments, that can be done easily too. So don't think that this is something that can't be changed. But I'm going to type in, because we want to be careful and make sure that data integrity. You want to make sure that what you put in is an actual time. Right, so see, if I try doing this, it's not going to let me. It has to be a strict format. And of course, this can be customized too. So there's nothing we see here that can't be fully customized. That's very important to realize. Okay, so we're going to save and close. And we got that there. So let's save and close the customer. And now, of course, you can search. We only put one in there. Oh, no, we have a couple of others in there. Okay, so you can save for these other people as well. Maintain lists we've seen. By the way, we'll go back to search new customers. You can search using any of these fields. So I think, so you can put, you do a search there, and you can see the patient that we just entered. So, and you can double click, and that will bring us to the record with call history, notes, appointment history, all the stuff we just put in. And then, of course, last are reports. And again, you can put, let's say, one. Right, so you can put print invoices. There may be one invoice in here. Okay, from that office visit we just entered. So again, it's meant to be pretty generic. This can be expanded and customized. If you know access or have someone at your practice who knows access, and if not, you can find someone or always have us do it. So this is customizable. I can't emphasize that enough. You can fancy this up any way you want. You can change lists or add things to appointments. Anything. The sky's the limit with this type of application. So that wraps up the Doctor Contact Tracking Database. I want to thank you for viewing, and please remember to like and subscribe for more free videos, access tutorials, and lots of other great stuff. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.